tough today and tough yesterday. We have 2 days with a very strong wind, and that is make difficult for practice, for players to enjoy the golf course and the things, you know. But a part of that can be worse, but it can be very cold. It's a little cold, but not very cold. You know? That is nice. No? A part of that is been nice. Been playing 18 holes today with my amateurs. We have a lot of fun there today. No, my game is very good, and at the moment, you know, if the last couple of months been playing very well. Finished fourth in the Masters, win my first tournament, the Champions Tour in America, and then 3 weeks off where I get married. Also, there is another victory, another tournament. You know? And then, I don't know for me or for her, but it's a victory. And then I win the Spanish Open. That is, I've been playing for, this is my 26th season on the tour. And I win at least, then no, but we're very good, very nice, very happy. I beat the record of Des Smith when I won in 2012 in Hong Kong. And then in 2013 I win again in Hong Kong. I beat my own record, and now in the podium I beat me again for the 3rd time. Now it's only me in the podium, first, second, third, you know. The people in America, they like me very much there. They want me to play on the champions there, and I tell to them, they were okay. I would love to join also here. You know, I feel like my game is well enough still to make the team, and I'm very close to get the Ryder Cup team. And that is the reason why I'm still playing here, and I want to play here. I want to set another record there, and not only a record. I want to, because I feel competitive, and I want to play the Ryder Cup. You know, Ryder Cup is the tournament, it's the event, no? Itself. The main reason is I love what I'm doing in my life. No, I love the game. I love to compete, and to me, that's the main thing. With that, I don't mind to go spend hours on the driving range, practice, playing, enjoy myself, because to me it's enjoyable what I'm doing. That's the main thing. And then I'm working for that. That's the secret. That's the main secret. Of course, obviously, you need to have a big fat cigars. You know, you have to have a nice Rioja, nice olive oil, nice machine, espresso machine. Of course, that's basic on the life. No, it's joy. It's nice to play and make your way of living with something that you like. You know, some other people pay for do this, and I live in and get paid for that. You know, it's even better, obviously, no. But you know, you need to have a balance on everything. You know, I like to enjoy my life, and I like to do what I'm doing.